Good morning, all of you. A very happy new year to all and your family also. Now tell me, all of you are fine at your homes? Very nice. Me also. Okay, now you know which month and which year it started? Yeah, it's January month started and the year next year, that is 2022. 2022. Now what is the date today? Today is 3 January 2022. Today is 3 January 2022. Now you have to write 2 to 22. Okay? And today is Monday. Today is Monday. Okay, class? Okay, class, now let's begin our class. As you all know that which class is this? This one is our English class. Which class? English, your favorite one. I know you all of you love to speak English and as well as learn also. Okay, now I am going to tell you something that which topic we are going to cover today. Now tell me, anybody knows which chapter we are going to start? Think. No? Okay, no issue. I am going to tell you that which chapter we are going to start. That is chapter number 13, prepositions. Which chapter? Prepositions. Speak with me first. Prepositions. That is prepositions. Now students, we will going to learn about the prepositions and also come to know that where we have to use the prepositions. Okay, now let's start. Okay class, now let's open your grammar books. That is page number 6161. Page number 6161 you have to open. Open it fast. Now, I hope all of you have opened your books. Yes, great. Now, first of all, do you know what is a preposition? What the preposition is? Okay, I'll tell you. Prepositions are the words that shows the position and place of a person, people, animal or a thing. I am repeating again. Prepositions are the words that shows the position and place of a person, animal or a thing. Now, look at your books, all of you class. Look at your books. Now you know what is the preposition. Preposition shows the place of a thing, position of a thing, people or animal. That shows where the pencil is, where the animal is, where the people is. I'll show you through some examples. Let's see with me. Okay class, now I am going to show you few examples. First one is I am taking the preposition that is in. I am taking the preposition that is in. What is in? In means inside, under. I am showing you the example that is, what is this? This is a water bottle. What is this? This is a water bottle. And where the water is? Tell me, where the water is? Water is in the bottle. Water जो है वो bottle के in है, अंदर है. The water is in the bottle. Okay? Okay class, now I have one more example for you. Like, what is this? What is this? This is a chalk holder. What is this? This is a chalk holder, and the chalk is in the chalk holder. The chalk is in the chalk holder. It means it's inside, in the chalk holder. And class, I have lots of examples for you also. Let's see the examples carefully. Let's see the pictures. Now students, look at this picture. This picture shows that the ball is in the box. And the next one, the flowers are in the vase. Where the flowers is? In the vase. And the dog is in the cage. Where is the dog? In the cage. Now class, I am going to write one example, one fill up for you. All you have to fill this. Okay? First one, that is, I am dash my classroom. What if we have to fill this? Which preposition we are going to fill? I am in. I am in my classroom. Full stop. I am in my classroom. Understand where we have to use in? Good. Now second one also. My pencil is dash my pencil box. My pencil is dash my pencil box. Where is your pencil? That is in your pencil box. My pencil is in my pencil box. I hope you all understand that where we have to use in. Good. Okay class, now the second preposition I am going to explain to you all, that is on. Which one? That is on. What is on? Where we used on? Where? Yes, I am going to tell you through example. Okay? Class, now look at the example of on. Where is the book? Where is the book? That is on the table. Book is on the table. And where is the water bottle? Where is the water bottle? That is on the table. And where is the duster? Where is the duster? Duster is on the book. And book is on the table. And duster is on the book. Okay class, I hope you all understand this. Now see this. The pillows are on the bed. Pillows are on the bed. And the second one, cat is sitting on the chair. On the chair. And students are sitting on the desk. Where are they sitting? On the desk. Now students, I am going to tell you two fill-ups of on. Okay, now you have to tell me what you are going to put in. Okay, now first one, that is the jar is dash the table. What we are going to put? The jar is on the table. Means that is on the table. The jar is on the table. And the the second one, that is the blanket is dash the floor. The blanket is dash the floor. Where the blanket is? On the floor. Where the blanket is? On the floor. The blanket is on the floor. I hope you all understand the concept of on preposition. Great. Okay class, now I am going to tell you about the third preposition, that is, which one? Near. That is near. Near means close. Pass. Near means close. Like, I am standing near the blackboard. Ma'am is standing near the blackboard now. So close to me. Blackboard is so close to me. That is, I am standing near the blackboard. And I am standing near the table also. I am standing near the table also. Near the board and the table. Okay. I am going to show you few examples of near. Let's see this. Now students, see, the duck is near the pond. Where is the duck? Near the pond. And second one, the children are near the tree. Where are they standing? Near the tree. And the third one, children are standing near the teacher. Where are they standing? Near the teacher. Near the teacher. Class, let's see some other examples of near. I am going to write some fill-ups and you all have to fill that. Okay. Now, first one is Rahul. Rahul is parked his car dash the house. Rahul is parked his car dash the house. Where Rahul parked his car? Near the house. Where? Near the house. Write down near. Rahul is parked his car near the house. Okay. Now second one. Now second one, that is the dog is standing dash the cat. Dog, where the dog is standing? Near the cat. The dog is standing near the cat. Okay? Full stop. The dog is standing near the cat. Now all of you speak with me these sentences. First one is Rahul is parked his car near the house. Where the Rahul parked his car? Near the house. And the second one, that is the dog is standing near the cat. Where the dog is standing? Near the cat. Very nice, all of you. Now, the next preposition we are going to learn, that is, tell me, under. That is under. Now we are going to learn about the under. What is the meaning of under? Under means like down, that I am standing under the roof. What do you mean by roof? That is chat. Ma'am is standing under the roof now. Yes, I am standing under the roof. And the second example, that is book is under the table. See where I put the book? That is under the table. Book is under the table. Where the book is? Under the table. You learned it? Understand it? Good. Now, I have some examples for you of the preposition under. Let's see the examples, bacha. Now see, the cat is sitting under the table. Where is the cat sitting? Under the table. And shoes are under the bed. Where are the shoes? Under the bed. Where are? Under the bed. And the boy is studying under the tree. He is sitting under the tree and studying now under the. Now, I hope the concept of under is clear to you all. Tell me yes or no. Yes, very good. Okay, now see some other examples. You have to fill these fill-ups. Now see. First one is my toy is dash the bed. My toy is dash the bed. Where is my toy? That is under the bed. Where is that? Under the bed. Speak, my toy is under the bed. Okay class, now second one, that is I am standing dash the roof. Where I am standing? Where? Under the roof. Write down under. I am standing under the roof. Now speak both sentences with me. My toy is under the bed. And second one, I am standing under the roof. I hope you all understand this. All of you understand? Very nice. Now, I hope you all understand it properly. Okay, now just recapitulate all the work we have done today. I am going to share pictures with you. Just see the pictures properly, and after watching these pictures, we are going to make some sentences on that in our notebook. Okay? For that, you have to open your notebooks as well. First of all, look at the pictures carefully. Now see, the crayons are in the bag. Where are the crayons? In the bag. I hope you have seen the picture carefully. Now make sentence on this picture. Think a sentence of this picture. Open your notebooks. Write down date. Today is 3 January 2022. And write down chapter number 13, prepositions. Write down it fast. And the sentence is crayons are in the bag. That is a bag of crayons now. So crayons are in the the bag. Write this sentence in your notebooks, class. Write it very carefully and your handwriting must be neat and clean. Okay? And see the next one. Monkey is sitting on the tree. Where is the monkey sitting? On the tree. Now you have seen the second picture now. Write the sentence on that. Number 2, that is monkey is sitting. Monkey is sitting on the tree. Where the monkey is sitting? Monkey is sitting on the tree. Write down this sentence in your notebooks. Write down it fast. Note it down, bacha. And see, the girl is standing near the mirror. Where is she standing? Near the mirror. Now class, I hope you have seen this picture also very carefully. Now make sentence on this picture. You all need to try it. Try it yourself. Okay, now start writing. Number 3. Number 3, that is girl is standing. Girl is standing dash the mirror. Where the girl is standing? You have seen the picture now? Yes, near the mirror. So write down near. The girl is standing near the mirror. Write down this sentence in your notebooks. Write down this sentence full. The girl is standing near the mirror. Full stop. Write down. Now see, where is the toy car? Car is under the chair. Car is under the chair. Now you have seen the 4th picture also very carefully. Now write down in your notebooks. Make sentence on that. Write down. That is toy is dash the chair. Full stop. Where the toy is? That is under the chair. Toy is under the chair. Write down in your notebooks, bacha. Write down 4th sentence also in your notebooks. And you have to recapitulate all these sentences what we have done in the class. All these prepositions very carefully. Okay? Okay, students.